Hey everybody, how's it going? Y'all, I said I'd be back live with Jenny, and she has been trying to get Stella to go to sleep, and Stella is not having it. So tonight I'm gonna do a project, and then hopefully tomorrow, Jenny and I both will do a project together. Cause she's like, I miss everybody. I'm like, I know, me too. As y'all are hopping on, let me know if you can hear me. Say hello, all of the good things. And y'all, I don't know if you saw me earlier, but I shared the new goodies with y'all. I'm trying to see if I can get these comments up without my phone. My phone was like slowly going, drooping. I think I need a new tripod. What do y'all think? If it's slowly drooping, I think I do. Okay, good. I got my comments. What's everybody been doing? And look, if I'm slowly going down, y'all let me know. And look, I still got on the same thing that I had on earlier. My sweater, because this weather's been crazy. Oh my goodness. It's so good to see everybody. All right, y'all, let's do this. And listen, let me know if you can hear me okay. Hopefully you can. One thing I wanted to say is, right now we have, for perks and designers, we've got a free chalkboard. It's 9x12. And look, I'm heating my heat press up to 360. Hey Diane, hey Renee. And I put all the goodies together, as far as like what I like to use, as far as the heat press, and then 60 seconds. Thanks for sprinkling. Y'all let me know if you can hear me okay. It might be echoing. Hey Joyce, hey Duranda, oh I love your name. Anyway, so if you type the word bag, because that's what we're gonna be doing, is a bag. You'll get all the supplies, and I found a bigger heat press, bigger than this, but lower price. Y'all, now I'm getting hot. Hey Brett, the weather's been crazy. And look, do we say this every year? The weather's been crazy. All right, I'm letting this thing heat up. Okay, good, Kim, awesome. I put a link for the tape that I use for a heat mat. Look, I need to get another one. I have gone through this. Hey Beverly, and y'all, these Teflon sheets, you get several of these. Everything, I like look for the best prices for everything for you guys. Hey Tammy, so be sure to type bag, because we're doing a bag. And y'all, how many of you guys like to read or are in a book club? Y'all, at one time, the only reason I read is because I was in a book club. Isn't that terrible? It's so bad. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to decide, and y'all know I love bags. These come in a pack of 2. Oh my goodness. This thing's trying to get me to verify something. Lordy mercy. I hope I don't lose y'all's comments. Hey Gloria. Okay, probably what I'm going to do is use both of these so that I can have the bags going all the way across. Yeah. And see, you can cut these and use any amount. Hey Carol. Hey Kim. So we're going to, I think I'm going to cut off the edge. Because I want it to be, do I want to do that? Let's see. We're going to do one and then we're going to do the other. And y'all, I've done this before. And you can use these with our ink. I'm going to try to make this corner come out just right. I'm going to like put it all the way, even a little bit past the bottom, because I want it to look complete. And I'm going to go ahead and take this on. We're going to do one, and then we're going to do the other. And you see what I'm saying? I want it to go from edge to edge. Hey, Barbara. Anyway, anybody new tonight, let me know. What I always do is I try to get all the information together for y'all as far as like what we're using. And I'm gonna do, like I said, we're gonna do this one first. And I'm just taping it on so it doesn't move around. Thanks, Bonnie. And y'all, if you're not a Perks member, you can join, and we have a kit right now. So I'm gonna do one side. I'm gonna add a little pressure, hold it for 60 seconds. But while I'm doing that, I'm gonna say hey to everybody. Hey, Kathy Sue, Lisa Marie. Look, I love double names. My name is Deborah Ann, but I would really love to, have a fun name. Echo, yeah. Sorry about that, Sue. Oh my gosh, y'all! I just thought about something. I should have put my Teflon sheet on here. We're gonna do that. We are going to do that. And look. It's okay. It's okay. That's just so that the ink doesn't get on your heat press. Hey, Kathy. And y'all, be sure to share this out with all of our crafting friends. Maybe anybody that hadn't tried one of our crafts. Or whoever you want to share it with. Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna let this go a little bit longer right here. Hey, Lynn, under the transfer sheet. This bag is thick, so it's not gonna go through it. If you have like a t-shirt, a thin bag, then yes, put something in between, like in between your bag. Hopefully that's what you meant. All right, now I'm gonna scoot it over and do the rest of it. And look, if y'all have any questions, go ahead and ask. I'm happy to answer, and if I miss them, I'll go back and try to catch them. Just down a little bit. Hey, Mary Jo. Hey, Lois. I love the name Lois. Y'all know that was my mama's name. You had problems with Cindy. I've answered you yesterday on a post, and we're going to go check your order and reship anything, any issues that you had. But be sure to, oh yeah, Lynn, I fixed that. Be sure to email us back a photo of your damaged product, because it sounds like it was damaged in shipping, but we will get that replaced for you. Hey, Ashley. 2 seconds. And y'all know my favorite part is the reveal, the peel and reveal. I always take a little sneak peek. Ooh, 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 ooh. Jan, that sounds like so much fun. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Isn't this cute? Y'all, the reason I love these heat transfers is they are so fast. Mary, yes, I love it. And you know what? It's brand new. Anybody can get it. Now let me see what we're going to do. We're going to put the blue book. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, it's so easy. Now, if you're in a book club, grab it. This thing's asking me to verify something. All right, I'm going to trim this off so I can see where this blue book starts. I'm going to put it up right against the other one. Oh, y'all, Facebook? I love you, Facebook. I might even overlap a tinge. You know what a tinge is. We've been over that many times. We have been over a tinge many, many times. Like I said, this might overlap a little bit. And if it does, we are okay with that. This one, I want to make it look like it's a continuous book. Hey, Diane. Uh-oh, somebody said I should be something, but I didn't catch that. I'll have to go back and check it out. Debbie, thank you. Okay, I'm putting that there. And now I'm going to trim off some of this because what has happened to me in the past is I have just ironed right on top of it onto my pad. Anyway, I want to show y'all the, I need to scoot that down a little bit. The free chalkboard, and look, you can get as many orders as you want of $25. Fingers crossed, that's good. Okay. 360 for 60 seconds. All of this information is on your heat transfer. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Bag is the key word. Hey, Charlene. Hey, Martha. It's so good to see everybody. Thank you for sprinkling, Tammy. Tammy, it's great to see you. Tammy always messages me to see what time I'm going live. And I really appreciate that. Hey, Nancy. Nancy shared. Hey, Martha. Yeah, bag is keyword. And look, I've listed several things that I love to use with our heat transfers. Also, if you are a Perks member or a designer, you can get a free chalkboard with a $25 order, and it's a biggie. And it's like you could do this side and this side. Robbie, everything's listed. If you type the word bag, I give you all the info. I try to make it easy. Look, I'm taking a sneak peek because I don't know if I need to heat it some more. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I did so good. Hey, Marsha. All right, guys. All right, all right, all right. Look at this. That got sweaty. Isn't this perfect? So, you get 2 of these per package. Can make a great bag. Hey, Roberta. This is a super fun, quick and easy project. You could give this as a gift, keep it for yourself. Y'all know I love tote bags, and I love this design with the flowers in these books. So pretty. And you know what? I may come back on another day and put ink on this. It'd be super easy to do. In fact, y'all let me know in the comments if you want me to ink something up here because we got plenty of room. Plenty of room. Hey, I think we'll do that. What do y'all think? And look, if you want the supplies, I've listed my Teflon sheets, tape, heat press, an ironing pad, all kinds of goodies. What did somebody just said something about a frame? Let's see. Where do you get the frame you use with the virtuous women? I'll have to go back and see what you're talking about. Also, new. This will be one of our projects coming up. This is a 16 inch around tray. Yeah, it comes with the handles. Anyway, y'all, I'm super excited about all the new stuff. Got some new heat transfers for Harry Potter. Awesome. Thank you, Pamela. All right. Okay, ink the top. We will do that. I'll find something to put up there that'll be stinky cute. Y'all, Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. If you want the supplies I used tonight, plus the things that I love to use with my heat transfers, just type the word bag, and I will see y'all later. Thanks again. Bye now.